How to find 1/5 of a number? Let's say the number is 95. Now translate 1/5 of means multiplication sign, then 95. This is a whole number, so your first task is to convert this whole number into fraction considering 1 as a denominator. Now multiply this fraction with this fraction. So how to do that? Just multiply top number together and bottom number together. 1 times 95, 95. 5 times 1, 5. 5 goes into 9 how many times? 1 times 1 times 5. 5, subtract 4, bring down this 5. 5 goes into 45. 9 times 5, 45. So you are getting 0. So your answer is 19.